Hello. I have more notes from Being in Time. This is Chapter 3, Part 3 of Division 1, The Worldhood of the World. Page 91. What can be meant by describing the world as a phenomenon? It means to let us see what shows itself in entities within the world. Phenomenon, in the phenomenological sense, is that which shows itself as being and as a structure of being. Depictions of the way entities of the world look and accounts of occurrences Depictions of the way entities of the world look and accounts of occurrences in them and with them are pre-phenomenological conceptions of phenomena and are not relevant phenomenologically. Such descriptions are confined to entities and are ontical. We are interested in being, in ontology. That characteristic of being which belongs to things of nature, substances, and upon which everything is founded is substantiality. He offers more discussion of things of nature here, which I probably should have brought to your attention. Things of nature. I'm not recalling it properly right now. Anyways, page 92. The relationship of things in general, things of value, and things of nature to nature itself, and in turn, substantiality. He offered a brief amount of discussion that was, quite meaningful here. I probably should take it out and read it, but anyways, page 92. Despite the above note, Heidegger states, the ontological interpretation of the being of entities within the world, substances, does not reach the phenomenon of the world. So, the interpretation of the being of entities within the world does not reach the phenomenon of the world. I think that should be clear. I had to think through exactly what he was talking about. Okay, we're still on page 92. Worldhood is an ontological concept and stands for the structure of one of the constitutive items of being in the world. Ontologically, world is not a way of characterizing those entities which Dasein essentially is not. It is rather a characteristic of Dasein itself. Page 93. He lists a number of different... I recorded all of these. They might not have been necessary. I think I just picked them out because they had bullet points. Or they were numbered. The word world is used in several ways. I listed the different ways. It's interesting. Page 93 here. Number 1. World is used as an ontological concept and signifies the totality of those entities which can be present at hand within the world. 2. World functions as an ontological term and signifies the being of the entities which we have just mentioned, and indeed world can become a term for any realm which encompasses a multiplicity of entities, For instance, when one talks of the world of a mathematician, world signifies the realm of possible objects of mathematics. 3. World can be understood in another ontical sense, not, however, as those entities which Dasein essentially is not and which can be encountered within the world, but rather as that wherein a factical Dasein as such can be said to live. World has here a pre-ontological existential signification. Here again there are different possibilities. World may stand for the public we world or one's own closest domestic environment. Number 4. Finally, world designates the ontologico-existential concept of worldhood. Worldhood itself may have as its modes whatever structural wholes any special worlds may have at the time, but it embraces in itself the a priori character of worldhood in general. We shall reserve the expression world as a term for our third signification. If we should sometimes use it in the first of these senses, we shall mark this with single quotation marks. Worldly used to refer, this is another point, worldly used to refer to a kind of being belonging to Dasein, not entities present at hand in the world. Okay, I'm sorry. The term worldly is used to refer to a kind of being belonging to Dasein, not entities present at hand in the world. The latter entities are distinguished as belonging to the world, are designated as belonging to the world or within the world. Well, I felt like I could try to put that into my own terms, my own words, but it's actually pretty clear the way it's stated there. I'll repeat it one more time because it seems like a useful point. The term worldly is used to refer to a kind of being belonging to Dasein. It is not used to refer to entities present at hand in the world. These entities that are present at hand in the world are designated as belonging to the world or within the world. Makes sense. Okay, almost done. Page 95. The analysis of worldhood which we are now attempting can be made clearer if we show how it differs from such an ontological tendency towards Descartes' res extensa. Our analysis will be completed in 3 stages. A. The analysis of environmentality and worldhood in general. B. An illustrative contrast between our analysis of worldhood and Descartes' ontology of the world. And C. The aroundness, das Umhafte, of the environment and the spatiality of Dasein. This is all I took so far, so I'll proceed. Thank you.